What up, ladies and gentlemen? Freak Show King 661 out in Porterville, California for the Nastyville show. So stay tuned as we get some footage, content. Check it out. Stay tuned. Freak Show King 661.
Get route. Had to get the dollars, fuck the brokers out. Like all my bitches tell her ass shit, coking out. Jumping out the old school, muscle nigga yoking out. Beat down like a motherfucking rap show. I make a party where I'm at, slapping that go. 10 deuce, walnut where your nigga from. And then a hyphy, all that stupid shit going dumb. Yada, don't know what I mean? Act like you do, figure shit out later. But for now, act like you do. Yada, don't know what I mean? Act like you do, figure shit out later. But for now, act like you do. Still the shit not just in studios. When I'm ass, one in the middle, so many styles like her up and dance. Babe nigga, I don't play cause it's not a game. I'ma stay out of y'all, you should do this.
How you want it, I'ma give it to you, turn blue. This is old school, stop acting brand new. Ready to this, I'm the cleanest, yeah, I stay so true. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do. That'll do what you won't do. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do. Hey, I'ma do what you won't do. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do. See, I'm that Sasso starter, another flow rider. Fire breathing dragon, I spit it and let them have it. I'm a savage when it comes to the cabin, see, I'm a habit. About Chalupa and I'm far from a pooper. See, I'm the type of nigga do what you won't do. Last name down and my first name Drew, dude. Take a picture and frame it, nigga, I'm famous. Paper chasing Jack Rabbit winning the races. Not a tiger with a stripe up your spine and it's yellow. And I'm living a life. My crew tight, it's just a matter if you can take a chance and then push it to the max, then relax. How you want it, I'ma give it to you, turn blue. This is old school, stop acting brand new. Ready to this, I'm the cleanest, yeah, I stay so true. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do. That'll do what you won't do. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do. Hey, I'ma do what you won't do. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do.
Rapping 40 P's, nigga, with a vacuum seal. I'm getting street money, I ain't gotta rap for real. Loyalty over money, hold the crew down. The biggest Mac of the year, bitch, like I'm Drew down. So what you know about us, bitch, run it out the pocket. These niggas federal informants, these niggas out of pocket. Ball main jeans on with a pocket rocket. I'm a type to take a brick, nigga, and get the projects poppin'. You fall off, you gotta rebound like Dennis Rodman. Riding in a Honda Civic, yeah, with an SK. Playing Ice Cube, nigga, today was a good day. Pull up on the sucker side and treat it like a foot race. Chase a nigga down to his shots in his face. We gon' chase these niggas down till we the hottest in the bay. You know a couple niggas nice, but most niggas in the way. How them niggas get that money like we ain't come to take a play?
How you want it, I'ma give it to you, turn blue. This is old school, stop acting brand new. Ready to this, I'm the cleanest, yeah, I stay so true. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do. That'll do what you won't do. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do. Hey, I'ma do what you won't do. Type of nigga that'll do what you won't do.
Time to bring the bass back.
If they hatin', got a price to pay. California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the bay. Damn, but we don't never trip. All I know is gas, brake, dip. No, we never trick on that bitch. No, I can't quit. No, I don't fuck with that mid bitch. But hey, put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. If they hatin', got a price to pay. California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the bay. Damn, had to get it on my own. I could really get it if I want. You can't even get it on the phone. You ain't even know. I'll be with a bop getting down. I ain't gon' stop putting on. From the home of the slang. yeah. Bad bitches know my game, yeah. Big bag with her aim, yeah. You ain't really what you claim. Why you always in the way? Fat ass little waist. Bet you gon' make it shake. Say you bout it but you ain't. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb.
Stop babysitting, pass it. My fetty stretched like elastic. Yeah, bro, I gotta have it. Born to trap, survival tactics. I'm so spiced, I can't even feel my face. Disrespect, get out of place, then we gon' put you in your place. Bar none. All my little niggas on the run. All my little niggas go dumb. When they pull up on me in the traffic, they holler,
Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. If they ain't got a price to pay. California on my license plate. If they ain't got a price to pay. California on my license plate. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. 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 Yeah, we really going dumb. Kai, you going crazy.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, doing alley-oop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, jet ready, packed to go, yard. People probably think I show off, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Share the stage with Billie Eilish, turn it any given time. Personal partners, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as we used to be, this shit slick divided. Bro ain't got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick to violence. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm a gangster, she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach him. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing what I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full court press foot on they neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have it say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking Play-Doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. C don't like to drive, but he spent good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. Free all of the guys, I hope y'all beat the case to get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dime, I smoke a blunt in the back of the Maybach. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You could do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bruh taught me that way back. Kano took it off, I was always taught, don't take hoes where you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother, if you off me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal.
all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga out rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being the daddy to my little children. I been spending on business and spending and spending and spending until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step or help with none of you killing. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack you in front of the witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin. Yeah, cut those bins, KTV, back door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All of you niggas gon' die, time rolling. Bustin' on my opponent, no hand stepping. Crush my arms totally, wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cages, stages to cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka Twigger Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off on the bit. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So they done ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin.
Yeah, we could be superstars.
Super gremlin.
But I'm pretty sure time is up.
Now your time is
So
up.
we fell off the spinning tops. Don't know, maybe for trial, but blame my error.
I ain't sliming, I'm grinding. Any way you put it, I'm SG with it. I'm a super gremlin. Snatch and grab, sneak and geek, like we gon' trust. Nightmare, baby. You know, I bet you always see me in your dream.
hold out, always be a thug, nigga never go soft. Keep both eyes open, I know niggas go now. Always shoot first when them shots go off. Tell me that she love me, I already know now. Can't buy tickets, say show sold out. Chop hold 100 and we empty whole rounds. For any of my brothers, I knock a nigga down. Shit change, shit sick nowadays. I ain't worried about shit, look at my wrist nowadays. For them bands, I make a nigga strip nowadays. Even though a nigga on know, I still won't change. These new niggas, they ain't keeping it 100. I swear these streets and it took a nigga conscious. We ain't running, we the ones doing 100. Murking niggas straight off doing 100. On the next block, speed limit, drive regular. We ain't talking best, tapping in the cellulars. I know niggas want me dead, I don't care enough. At some point you gotta know this niggas amateurs. And I don't got time to be fucking with you. I do not got time to be ducking from you. Said we running from funk, bitch, we running from who? So I promise to catch a body when I run into you. I never leave my brothers, I never hold out. Always be a thug, nigga never go soft. Keep both eyes open, I know niggas go now. Always shoot first when them shots go off. Tell me that she love me, I already know now. Can't buy tickets, say show sold out. Chop hold 100 and we empty whole rounds. For any of my brothers, I knock a nigga down.
VVS diamonds, my shit clear, yours cloudy. Everywhere I go, I hear a nigga talking about me. SOB, we the best, no disrespect to DJ Khaled. If a nigga run up trippin', I'ma catch a body proudly. The realest niggas sometimes can even turn fakes. And a lot of shit changed when that fucking cake came. Crash side seas, up, but I don't fucking gang banging. If a second slide bustin', I'ma do the same thing. Ain't fucking with you niggas, cause you niggas too strange. Tank on my neck, hanging on a shoestring. God slide down your block and treat it like a shooting range. Real double back boy, like that nigga 2 Chainz.
I never leave my brothers, I never hold out. Always be a thug, nigga never go soft. Keep both eyes open, I know niggas go now. Always shoot first when them shots go off. Tell me that she love me, I already know now. Can't buy tickets, say show sold out. Chop hold 100 and we empty whole rounds. For any of my brothers, I knock a nigga down.
For any of my brothers, I knock a nigga down. I been posting in the jet, we been thuggin' with them rounds. I nigga slide down, get his ass knocked down. Double back, mad step, letting off hella rounds. I been posted with the thugs, lately we been sending slugs. Paranoid off the goods, gotta lay off the drugs. Only nigga 18, I can whip out a dub. Any niggas, they be mad cause these bitches show me love. Put these bands on the low for they bust, yeah. Left pocket pink, figures right tug, yeah. And these bitches, I don't love them, I won't cuff, yeah. And these niggas, I never ever trust, yeah.
I never leave my brothers, I never hold out. Always be a thug, nigga never go soft. Keep both eyes open, I know niggas go now. Always shoot first when the shots go off. Tell me that she love me, I already know now. Can't buy tickets, say show sold out. Chop hold 100 and we empty whole rounds. For any of my brothers, I knock a nigga down.
What are you for? What are you for? Huh. Go hella dumb, throw hella ones, drop it down to the floor, pick it up, get you some. Go hella dumb, throw hella ones, you can have hella fun when you the one with the funds. Go hella dumb, throw hella ones, drop it down to the floor, pick it up, get you some. Go hella dumb, throw hella ones, drop it down to the floor, floor, floor.
What that shit do? Mix that hand with the 42. Get the shit loose. Bring your friends, they fit in the Benz too. Bring your friends, they fit in the Benz too. I'm this shit, ayy. No, this ain't no mistake. Knew I would be this in the 5th grade. No, they been fake. Mama told me as a youngin' better get paid. No, I can't stop going dumb. I got money, I'ma send it up. No, I can't stop going dumb. I got money, I'ma send it up, ayy.
Go hella dumb, throw hella ones, drop it down to the floor, pick it up, get you some. Go hella dumb, throw hella ones, you can have hella fun when you the one with the funds. Go hella dumb, throw hella ones, drop it down to the floor, pick it up, get you some. Go hella dumb, throw hella ones, drop it down to the floor, floor, floor.
Tell me what it hit for.
everybody sound the same, man, it's shit, boy. I'm the type to go get everything I wish for. Don't know why they switch for. I'm just getting lit more. I'm just going stupid, going dumber. Ayy, hot boy heat it up just for the summer. Ayy, got my ex so broke, that shit a bummer. Moving different, you can see just how I'm coming. No, I can't stop going dumb, going dumb. I got money, I'ma send it up, send it up. No, I can't stop going dumb, going dumb. I got money, I'ma send it up, ayy.
Going hella dumb, throwing hella ones, drop it down to the floor.